G'day folks, now the reason I'm dressed like an aerobics instructor from the 80s and the nips are on high beam is I want to infuse into your brain the importance of priming yourself to give your best possible performance. Now when it comes to video, we are not always gifted the opportunity to warm up before jumping in front of the camera. But if we do have a spare sec up our sleeve, here's 3 quick tips that I like to do to get the body primed before we hit that record button. Tip number 1 is energy. If you've had a rough night and you're sitting around the 5 or 6 mark energy-wise, you need to bump that up to an 8 or a 9. So I like to do some star jumps, burpees, running on the spot to get the body moving. And if these seem a little extreme, then walk up a flight of stairs or hills just to get the body moving. Skip to the donut shop if you need to, whatever motivation you need to get the blood pumping. Try and stay away from caffeine if possible, as it can make you a little bit edgy, dry in the mouth and give you the wrong type of buzz. Tip number 2 is before we hit that record button is to give that body a good shake out to release any tension, especially in the shoulders and neck region, and be conscious of your posture. Remember to stand up tall with shoulders back and down. Feel proud of the words that are going to leave your mouth. And remember, there's only an inch or 2 between looking 10 years older and ugly and 10 years younger and smoking hot. So posture is important. Tip number 3 is vocal warm-ups. There are 3 things I like to do, and they are humming, lip trills, and tongue twisters. Humming is a great way to get the resonators activated, clears the frogs out, and gets your voice purring. Lip trills are similar. It's good to go up and down with your tone to really get things moving. The tongue twisters I like to do is red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather, 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 red leather, yellow leather. Saying this over and over again, faster and faster, really gets things moving. Now, if I can look like a dickhead doing these warm-ups in front of you, you shouldn't have a drama doing these warm-ups when no one's around. You don't have to spend hours doing them, but something is always better than nothing. So something to be aware of next time you jump in front of the camera. Don't forget to subscribe or wherever you may be watching this video, and have a winning week.